This is the Thehomeschooldev, and as you know, I am here for you, the self-taught developers out there who are learning the code, the homeschoolers who are looking to integrate a coding and tech curriculum into their homeschool environment, the entrepreneurs and brand builders out there trying desperately hard to build their brands and scale their businesses. And once again, for the web development, the tech, the programming community out there, I salute you. Now let's get right into this episode. Deep dive coding, IoT, information of things, 10-week bootcamp, powered by CNM Ingenuity. Yes, the Thehomeschooldev has leveled up per se, and I am bootcamp bound. Deep dive coding bootcamp. Only in Albuquerque, New Mexico do we have deep dive coding bootcamp. And once again, I'll be participating in the 10-week IoT information of things bootcamp. Here's a little backdrop to what'll be going on in the boot camp, or what the boot camp offers. Discover the fundamentals of creating and coding smart connected devices, starting with learning the components needed to build a smart lighting controller, working on devices for smart cities and or smart manufacturing, and progressing through an original group design project, accelerating towards careers in industries that build and or use IoT devices. That is, smart connected devices. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I know. It's gonna be a lot of fun for the Thehomeschooldev. You know, we are entering the age of advanced manufacturing, what is being referred to as Industry 4.0, where predictive analytics generate, design advanced materials, ubiquitous sensors, and automation robotics is revolutionizing industry. It is estimated that there will be 1 trillion connected devices by 2035. That means more than 100 smart devices for every person on Earth. Can you imagine that? 100 smart devices for every person on the earth. Now, the prerequisites for the Information of Things IoT Bootcamp goes as such. Experience with Windows and OS X or Linux, Ubuntu operating systems, fundamental computer skills including basic use of the keyboard and mouse, as well as higher level action, moving, copying, and deleting files. High school algebra or the equivalent. Prior coding experience not required. Prior coding experience is not required. Wait a minute. That's ill right there. No coding required. We have a pre-boot camp where we have to take a choice of intro to woodworking or metal work, which would be a 3-hour class. And then we have intro to 3D modeling. That's a 2-hour class. Now, the Homeschool Dev is going to video blog this 10-week experience. And every day, I'm going to engage you in, my classes, my boot camp experience at Central New Mexico, CNM. But my classes will be held at Fuse Makerspace. Fuse Makerspace is a unbelievable facility which I will be video blogging from every day. So look forward to that. Look forward to seeing that. And I'm going to give you a rundown of my week 1 through 3 phase. We're going to be using a smart light switch project as a educational vehicle. We're going to be using a smart light switch project as an educational vehicle. Week 1 through 3. Before I go any further, this is Deep Dive Coding first cohort for the IoT program, and I'm excited to be a part of this first cohort, and I really want to be a standout student, and I wish all my fellow IoT Bootcamp, I think it's 17 of us, I wish all of us all of the best luck, and I want to see all of us, complete the boot camp, the 10-week boot camp. I mean that with everything. Week 1 through 3, we're going to learn to program an ARM-based microcontroller using technologies C and C++, via the Arduino IDE. We're also going to learn the fundamentals of soldering for electronics, learn to make device enclosures using 3D printers and laser cutters. We're going to create basic electronic circuits. We're going to create basic electronic circuits. We're going to develop circuit schematics using fritzing. We'll be building functionality by learning to code object-oriented blocks. Utilize input-output interfaces to interact with microcontroller code. We will interface peripherals to microcontrollers to sense and manipulate the surrounding environment. Store and retrieve data store and retrieve data to removable memory SD cards. Learn to communicate with IoT devices via the Ethernet. And we will be using Slack for all bootcamp communications. So I'm really excited about that. So this 10-week class starts on February 24th and will end May 1st. And I have an opportunity to combine a web development portfolio with my IoT capstone project. I will be combining the two all in one resume, along with my BA in film and video production, and I will be leaving it up to Deep Dive Coding to prepare me for the job market. And once they have completed that, I know deeply within my heart that I can handle the rest. This is the Homeschool Dev. And remember, on your programming endeavors, that you have to get outside of the environment where you're learning and get involved in the community, in your local neighborhood. Find resources that are available for you to connect with others who are like minds and have a passion for programming and elevating others. I'll be in a class with others, and I have some amazing instructors. Hopefully you will get to meet them as well. But I am really excited about this experience, and I'll be giving you more information about Deep Dive Coding real soon. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Please continue to support the Homeschool Dev. Peace.